Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the live activities when iPhone is locked. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, then you want to swipe down a little bit and tap on Face ID and passcode. Now you need to type your passcode, so let's do it. Then you want to swipe down a little bit and here you have the section of allow access when locked. So as you can see, you can find here the live activities. So now they are enabled and now they are disabled. So you just need to tap this button right here and change those settings. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!